How to embed custom codes in a Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to embed a custom code, HTML code, CSS code, iframe code, or any source or script code that you are going to have to your Hostinger website. It is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over to hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the dashboard. Once you have accessed the dashboard, you are going to click on websites list, and from here, you're going basically to select one of the websites that you have. Click on any of these websites, and then you are going to see yours or your editor just showing up. Once you have the editor shown up, what are we going to do is basically to have one of the websites or the pages that we have, we're going to add a section or a blank section into them. And then we're going to add from the elements something called embedded code. We're going to have here the embedded code and we're going to have it in here. We are going to double click in here. We're going to delete the elements that we have and we can add our code. Here the code, it is not going to be limited only on HTMLs, and also it is not going to be limited on JS or JavaScripts. It is going to be also not limited with iframes and source codes. Any type of code that we have, CSS or something, you can go ahead and embed it into this specific area. So basically, I have this script source. I can go ahead and have it, copy it, and then we can go ahead and have it right there by pasting it in here. Click on embed code, and as you can see, we have this widget from Elfsight. So we are going to have the whole widget set it up or ready for the navigation. Also, you can go ahead and enter the another code, for example, not only HTML, but also, let's say here, CSS codes that you can get from also here. So basically it is going to be the same thing. You only need to add a code or a widget of the code, which is going to be from the element, embed code, name it, and then you are going to have it just like that. You can also use another website for code or custom code providers like Form here or JotForm. So basically, you can go ahead and do the same thing. You can create your own form. You can go ahead and edit your form. For example, I'm going to edit that one, wait for it, and see the different options that we are going to have here. So basically, this is a subscription form or email update form. You can go ahead and add some elements in here like headings, date pickers, phone numbers, widgets, payments, methods, and etc. When you finish that, you're going to head over publish, and then you're going to see that we have the embed. Also, this is a script type. As you can see, we are going to copy the source or copy the code. We're going to head over here and we are going to modify maybe the specific, as you can see here, section, or we can add another section, another embed code, have it like this, double tap on it, select the code, empty it, select or paste the code that we have, and then wait for the specific page to show up. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.